Welcome to our little cabin in the Maasai Mara. So today I'm going to be showing you our room tour or hotel room tour while we are in Maasai Mara. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and on today's video I'm going to show you our little tour of the cabin that we were staying in Maasai Mara. And before I show you that, I'm going to show you the surrounding up until we get to the cabin. Enjoy the video. And this is how basically it looks in the surrounding as you walk into the room. And there were so many cabins here. They have the wooden cabins and they also have the glass cabins, as you will see, and I will be showing you the glass cabin that we were able to see and stay in. So the surrounding also has some different types of flowers and everything, so it looks so beautiful, and you can just imagine this environment after watching the world. So it was decent and we had nothing to complain about. So this is the little tour we were taking each and every time we had to go to our cabin. Of course, it's a nice walk and you can just enjoy the beautiful environment. And at night there's always a Maasai guy who is always taking you up until you get to your cabin, just in case animals decide to visit this area. But in general, it's a safe place, and we didn't have any bad experience the whole time we stayed here. Looks so good.
Hello. Thanks. Oh, it looks nice.
So let's head in and see how the cabin looks like. Once you get into the cabin, there's a glass door over there, and there you find the shower and the toilet. And of course, now this is the shower place. Of course, they had shower gel and shampoo dispensers. Then you have the hair dryer and a place where you can plug in a shaver. Then we have the sink, the hand wash basin, and of course a mirror that was there. The shower actually was really good. It had hot water and then it had the right pressure for the water, of course. Towels, of course, and they also had the bathrobes. Then we have the weighing machine over here, the bathroom scale, whatever you want to call it, and a little dustbin. So basically, one more look. This is the shower, and the shower was okay. coming out, there was this wardrobe. This is where they kept the extra blanket and also the bathrobes, and there was a big mirror where you could just look at yourself before you head out of the room. So that was thoughtful and we enjoyed it here. So going this direction, we have the curtains, of course, long hanging curtains, and they were cozy. You could also draw the curtains on one side and just enjoy the outside view. Okay, here we have the coffee area. We had clean water bottles all the time being refilled. We had the coffee tea sachet over there just to make coffee if you wanted to. We had the fan just in case it got too hot and you needed some fresh air or cold breeze. And then we had the repellent, and then just some standing light on the side. The bed was also big and it was also very comfy, so yeah, nothing to complain about. They have charging spots, plenty of charging spots, so you could charge your phone, your laptop, or whatever gadget you are using. But of course, something else you need to note is that electricity here, and I think they are mostly using solar energy, goes off at around 11, and then it's pure darkness until morning when you get the lights back. Coming on this direction, then this is our little cozy balcony.